Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Man, I'm having a really bad time, dude. These branches are flying all over the place, and they're literally messing up my winter garden. So I got to come out and remove them. Okay, I just cleaned up my winter garden. Took me less than a minute, right? Well, that's what it is. These are torpedopots. They're growing over 1,000 carrots during the wintertime. Dude, they grow your food for you with no human intervention. All you do is throw your seeds in the planter and you'll have food for the rest of your life. You just have to determine what you want to eat and when you want to eat it. And so we planted these, I don't know, maybe about 2 months ago, going into the wintertime. It hit the wintertime, went through a very slow growth. And so I know going into the spring, these things are going to take off. But right now, I've got to thin them out. There's too many of them in one planter. So what I do is I come out and I literally just pull them out of the ground. Now, you eat carrots in different ways. Let's see if I can pull some out. At Torpedopot, we eat carrots differently. And I want you to get used to what I'm saying, okay? A lot of times when we eat our carrots, we eat them as microgreens. Yes, microgreens. They're not fully formed at the bottom, right? You can see? But they're starting to form as carrots, aren't they? Let's see if we can get that in there. They're starting to form their carrot, the root. And so what we do is that we clean everything off. And we put this in our juicer and make carrot juice. I'll put it in our salads and eat fresh carrot salad every day. My name is Darryl Addison. This is a growing invention called Torpedopot. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in those planters and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food anymore. A planter of the size, you see that 20-inch planter? Well, you can grow about 100 carrots in a 20-inch planter. If you wanted to, you can grow 300 carrots. You see, Mr. Addison, how's that possible? Well, because you're harvesting them at different stages of their growth. Inside my hand here, maybe about 10 different stages of growth. And the ones that you let remain in the planter, well, they'll get bigger until you determine how many you want to harvest. And then you start pulling them out. And you'll see from my earlier videos, we pulled a lot of them out. Dude, Torpedopot grows your food with no human intervention. You simply just put your plants and your seeds in the planter, and it grows your food for you. So no, I'll have carrots. I'll have, in this case, oh my gosh, I want you guys to see this one. I'll have radish. Look at my baby radish. See? Just like the carrots, they will form also. Let's pull out another one so you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, these are Torpedopots. All you do is put your seeds in this planter and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food ever again in your life. Just like the carrots, the same thing with the radish during the wintertime. I've got about, I don't know, 100 of them in this planter here. I'm just pulling them out just for you guys so you can see them. Otherwise, I don't need to eat them right now. I'll just let them stay inside of there and they'll grow until I want to pull them and eat them. If the ground freezes, I don't touch them. But like days like this, it freezes, then it thaws out. When it thaws out, it comes out, and I harvest everything as much as I can. And still it all. I want them to complete youth. And I always go for the bigger ones, okay? The bigger leaves, the bigger ones first. Because they are the bigger ones. Here's the correlation. What's at the root, bottom root, to the leaves at the top. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grow your food for you. You never, ever have to grow your food again. You simply take your seeds or your seedlings and you put them in this planter and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food ever again. And that's what Torpedopot does. This is a self-growing planter. You never water. You never add synthetic chemicals to it. We give you a supplement to compensate for deficiencies in your soil, and it's purely organic. And it grows your food for you. Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye. Going in to eat this.